Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing this month's BOXYCHARM. As you can see, it is right here. I am so excited. I've been meaning to subscribe to BOXYCHARM for a very long time now. Now this is April's box. This is not April's FOMO box. As you can see, all I have on my face, I just did like light foundation. I did powder foundation and eyebrows, and that's basically it because I did want to try on some of these products. Sorry if there's background. I have my window open and then they're washing, so sorry if there's any type of background noise. But yeah, let me start rambling. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. So yeah, this is the box right here. So excited. When you first open it, it comes with this card and it says peace, love, and Boxy. So here it comes with the rundown of basically everything that you get, all the items that you get in this month's box. So I can just go ahead and read off what we got. Let's see. This is so fun. Okay, so first on the list we have the Pure, the Complexion Authority Festival Palette, which is this right here. I think this is so cute and it comes with nice fun festival colors. So this is the packaging right here. I think it's so cool. It's very summer festival vibes. This palette does retail for $36. So with this palette alone, you're getting your money back because I believe the subscription's about $21 a month. So yeah, with just this one palette, you basically got your money back and a little more. Oh, so I just opened the box and inside is the palette, and it comes with a eyeshadow base. So it's Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. That's actually pretty cool. So again, here's the palette. Here you have 12 shades. They're so beautiful. Look at these two like foiled-y colors here. They're so cute. And this pink, this purple, yeah. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna try out a lip today just to play around with it. Another thing is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set from Lexi. It looks like this. Again, they kept it with the festival theme. It has festival packaging. I've never tried the Luxe brushes before, so I am very excited to try these. Now this brush set does retail for $28. I do like the effect that these brushes have, how it has, it's all pink and it just at the very end, it ombres kind of to like this like burnt orangey yellow shade, almost like a sunset, but it's so cute. Now the brushes, they feel very soft, so I'm excited to try these out. We'll see how they perform today. Next we have the Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture. This all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, and face and body. So that's pretty cool. And this does retail for $27. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I've never tried any of the Artist Couture products. I have seen them like in videos and reviews, so I was pretty excited to finally try something of theirs. Okay, so I finally got this thing open. It has like this little tape plastic protector, whatever, but I pretty much just made a little mess. It was kind of hard. Anyways, I was going to swatch this, and just so that I don't mess up the Lexi brushes so that I can use them later, I'm just going to take this random Morphe brush. It's like a little like eyeshadow brush, blending brush, but I'm just gonna get a little bit and put it right here on the back of my hand. So this is how much I got, just right here. So it's very subtle with the brush. Maybe I'm using the wrong brush. Let's just go in with the finger. Just swatch that. Okay, so it's a very light shimmer. I think that's actually kind of pretty because you can build it up. This will be very beautiful as a body glitter. I think this is perfect timing with all the festivals coming out. I would actually recommend this to put all over the body. It's Has a nice shimmer to it. I think it's really cute. All right, moving on, we have the Power Up Mascara by Butter London. This retails for $20. Here's the wand. In case you're wondering how the brush is, just kind of looks like this. So I will be testing this out later to see how it performs on the eyes. Last but not least, we have the Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil by Starlux. Now I'm guessing it's black. It doesn't really say, it just says Cosmic Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil. So yeah, let's see. Ooh, it is not black. It's actually like a metallic purple. I think it's purple. If not, it's like a silver. Let's swatch it right here. So it's kind of hard to tell. It's like a silvery, purpley shade right here. So that's pretty. We'll see how that looks on the eye. And that retails for $19. So that was it for everything inside the box. So if you were to add up for a grand total of everything that you received in this month's box, you're looking at about $130 for all 5 products. So yeah, is the subscription worth it? I would say so. They're all full-size products. Moving on, I'm gonna start off by using the Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow base. Might as well, since they were kind enough to give it to us. Just kind of blend this all out. I'm gonna take that Lexi 209 brush and go in with the shade Epic from the Pure Festival palette and just put that right into the crease. And I actually don't know what type of look I'm going for. I'm just kind of going, so we'll see where we end up. Now, as far as this brush goes, it's a little dense, which is not bad, but I like a more fluffier brush when I'm using, especially to blend. So as purpose for blending, I'm gonna switch brushes and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and this is the JH32 brush. And I didn't put any product, I'm just blending this out. I might dip into it, but for right now, I just wanna blend this out a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with Epic on this brush. That was a lot of excess, damn, okay. And just, okay, and do the same on the other eye. Now I think I want to go in with Wild Child, and it's this bright pink shade. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna take that on my JH33 brush. Just gonna take a little bit and put that right on top of that crease shade and kind of blend it upwards. So like right there, right over. And then you kind of just want to slowly bring that shade up. I'm going to switch to a JH40 brush, and it is from the same collection, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. And I'm taking that same Wild Child shade, and now I'm just kind of concentrating that into the crease. And up where we have the pink already. Just to kind of build up this shade. So that first shade, Epic, was kind of like a guide for us. I'm gonna go back in with the JH33 brush to just blend everything out. Make sure that there's no harsh edges or sharp lines. We want everything to look seamless, especially up here at the top. So now I'm gonna do the same thing, but on the other eye. That's pretty much where I want it to be. I'm trying to think of what else I kind of want to do. I think I want to take the shade Gypsy and kind of pop that on the outer corner. And just keeping that right on the outer corner. By the way, this shade is applying so easily. And it does have a little bit of shimmer to it. So, but there is fallout as you can see here, but that's fine. We'll clean that up later. But this, it's coming out very beautiful. I really like it. Alright, so just have it like that. And just blend the pink. And I'm gonna take the JH32 with no added product and just blend that out. I'm gonna continue to pack on that gypsy shade until I get the, I don't know, the pigmency that I'm looking for. So we have that. I think I want to cut the crease a little bit, so I'm gonna be taking the small shader Lexi brush. This is the 245 brush. Also, I'm gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to go ahead and cut this crease. So I'm gonna cut the crease off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did that. So basically I cut the crease a little bit and I didn't cut it all the way here to the end. And I used the shade Fireworks. You guys, this shade, if you guys can tell, is absolutely stunning. It is ridiculous. It's crazy. Let me swatch it for you. Like, girl, let me swatch it. And it feels so cool, like sticky almost. Look at this. Look at that. Now that's glitter. And Fireworks is the perfect name for it because it has like so much different color pigments in it. It's so beautiful. While we're at it, let's go ahead and swatch 24K. 24K Magic, excuse me. Oh, same consistency. Oh yeah, that's really pretty, guys. So it did go on like that, kind of chunky and everywhere, but you just kind of have to build it all up. And it built up perfectly. It was so cool. And I was able to do this. And you see how it just adds more here and there. And you pat it. So there's multiple ways, and it went on well with the brush as well, so that's good to know. But we're gonna go in with Wild Child and just kind of put that right into the lower lash line. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take that shade Fireworks and just put that right there. So you see it just easily goes on. And I'm using a JH42 brush. Let's go in with that Starlix eyeliner. So this is like just barely coming up onto the eye. You can like barely see it. At least I can. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. I can kind of see something, but okay, yeah, so there's like a little bit of shimmer now in there. You probably can't tell on camera. Before I finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Lexi 512 brush. This is our small contouring brush. And I'm gonna take the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and just kind of bronze up my face a little bit using this brush. be taking the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Violet. It's time for mascara. I'm gonna be using the Power Up Mascara by Butter London, and this is the one that came in the BOXYCHARM box, in case you guys forgot. Okay, so now that we have the mascara on, we're gonna go on with lashes, and today I'm gonna be taking my Sumptuous Beauty lashes in the style Sydney. These are one of my favorite pairs. They're so big, luscious, and voluptuous. Now, these lashes are 3D mink lashes. Again, sorry about the TV. Oh, I'm recording.
What up, y'all? We out here. I get crunk and shit.
Anyways. Huh? No, I was just apologizing for the TV.
Oh, for sure.
If you haven't heard of them, you should totally go check them out. I do have a code, and my code is Jasmin13. I'll leave it linked down below. Okay, so the lashes are on, and I really love these lashes, and I love the effect that they give to this look. So moving on to go ahead and finish up, let's go ahead and take the Artist Couture highlight that came in the box, and I'm going to be taking that on the JH30 brush, and I'm just going to run that on the tip of my cheekbones to add a little highlight there. Oh yeah, that's really pretty, and you can see it right away, and as you blend it out, it kind of starts to sheer away, but you can still see the shimmer that it has. So you can tell that when you go out in the sun, you're gonna be able to see that a lot. So that's perfect for this whole festival season. See, look at that, it's really pretty. So you can definitely use this as an all over body shimmer if you want. And yeah, that basically completes this look using the items that we got in this month's BOXYCHARM. Everything that was used in today's video will be linked down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun creating it. I really liked how the eyes came out. I thought the eyeshadows worked perfect. Everything worked very well. I was very pleased with this month's box, and I'm very excited to do more of these videos every month for the BOXYCHARM subscriptions. So yeah, please stay tuned, and again, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.